how to turn on or turn off messages, notification, vibration, or haptics on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Notifications. Then scroll down and tap on Messages. Or you can go back to Settings and then tap on Apps at the bottom. Then tap on Messages and then tap on Notifications. After that, we scroll down and tap on Sounds. In here, tap on Haptics, and by default, it is set to staccato, so you can choose none to turn it off. Otherwise, you can choose one of the haptics from the standard list, and that will turn on vibration with a selected pattern. Or you can create a new vibration pattern on your device. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.